A lot of people reach out to me saying that, Umang, I have a lot of SQL queries to run and test, but I don't have any kind of software installed in my system. So do we have any kind of online compiler through which we can test and run our queries? The answer is absolutely yes, guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you all which kind of online compilers you can use to run your SQL queries online and what I use for this purpose. Oracle provides a platform to run queries online, and I will drop a link to the URL. There are quite a few other platforms as well that allows you to run queries like SQL Fiddle, W3 Schools, and many more. You can try them out as well. Now let's quickly see how we can run queries online using Oracle Live SQL. We go to our browser and type Oracle Live SQL. After this, we click on this link, and while clicking on this link, we click on Start Coding over here. After that, Oracle will ask you to directly sign in, or it will ask you to basically create an account. Okay, you can clearly see over here. If you don't have any kind of account, you can just click on create account over here, and a self-informatory form will appear. Here you can fill all the details and create an account. After creating an account, what will happen? Oracle will redirect you to this link where you can just provide your username and password and click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you can see Oracle has provided me a worksheet, SQL worksheet over here. Along with SQL worksheet, along with SQL worksheet, it has also provided me my session schema and a lot of cool features over here. In my SQL worksheet, I can simply create a table. I can simply insert data over here. I can update data, I can insert data, I can do any kind of manipulations over here as well, right? So I'm just inserting a data point over here. So I've inserted this, right? Along with this, guys, I'm going to tell you about some cool kind of features that Oracle supports. Okay. So my first cool feature over here is the save functionality. If let's say if I have to run a table on a daily basis, right? What I can do is I can simply save my session. Okay. So I'm just saving my session over here. And all of this session is going to be saved as a script and it can be downloaded as well. Okay. Okay, so this is actually being saved. And if I just go to my scripts, I will be able to see that my session is basically saved over here, right? Along with this, whatever the queries that I have run in my current session, I can just see going through my session space over here. You can see I have run this part, create table. After that, I have run this part. So any kind of queries that I have run, if I forgot about it, I can just go to my sessions and quickly see all the queries, all the steps that I have followed. Right. Along with this, guys, Oracle also provide some kind of default schemas over here. Right. This is my schema right now where I have created this employee table. Along with this, Oracle provides a lot of schemas and a lot of tables inside this schema. And they have only the read-only access so that you can just go through this data and try to read out this data and not update or insert any kind of data in these tables. So guys, these are the cool features that Oracle supports, and this is Oracle Live SQL, which I use as my online compiler, and it is very easy to use and very comfortable. I hope all of you like this content, and if you like my content, please follow and subscribe me on YouTube. And I am also adding the link to the description for Oracle Live SQL and many more other online SQL compilers.